everyone! Today I am drawing a picture of foot. First I am drawing a thumb. I will draw its fingers. This is very easy foot drawing. Have you ever drawn the picture of a foot? Let's draw the nails. It is very easy foot drawing. Now I am drawing a nail polish. Do you like drawing nail polish? Let's draw a heart shape. Now I am going to draw another nail polish. I love drawing too much. Let's draw a heart shape. Drawing is too much fun. Now it's time to color it. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Pink color. Pink color. Orange color. Blue color. Wow, it's looking amazing. See you on the next video.